What's up guys, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and this is the brand new Tecno Camon 19 Pro, and I've partnered with Tecno to tell you all about it. You may or may not have heard of Tecno before, but basically they provide affordable smartphones for the global market. This here retails for just around $280. Let's go ahead, get it unboxed and see what it has to offer. So inside the box, as well as the device itself, you do get a plastic clear case. This is included, so you're not gonna have to go and get it separately. We've got a user manual as well as a 33-watt charger. Again, included out of the box. There's devices that are 3, 4, 5 times the price of this that do not come with a charger included out of the box. We also get a SIM card tool, a USB Type A to USB Type C cable, and look what we have here, some earphones. And these are, in fact, 3.5mm earphones. And that is because the Camon 19 Pro does have a 3.5mm headphone jack. We really don't see many of those these days. Let's go ahead and remove the plastic. And here it is. We've got a two-tone finish with a really interesting effect when the light hits it. Looks very cool. It's just around 8.6mm thin, and the Tecno Camon 19 series also won the iF Design Award 2022 for its outstanding product design. Now, if you move over on to the front, you'll see the 6.78-inch Full HD display. Now, a key thing about this display is that it has a high refresh rate, up to 120 Hz, making everything super smooth and very impressive at this price. The display is also TÜV Rheinland certified and minimizes blue light, providing a more comfortable viewing experience. We have a punch out for the front-facing 32-megapixel camera, but the main cameras are at the back. The primary camera is a 64-megapixel RGBW camera, which has been co-developed with Samsung, and its RGBW color filter sensor technology adds a white subpixel to existing universal RGB configurations to enable light intake to be enhanced by 30%. Now, night photography and videography is a big selling point here on the Camon 19 Pro, and I think you'll be impressed at the results, especially at this price point. We then have a 50-megapixel portrait camera, which has a 50mm focal length, which will give you 2 times optical zoom, but also give you great portraits. 50mm is roughly what our eyes see as humans, so having 50mm portraits will give you generally the most flattering look. Now let's take a look around the rest of the device. So up top, we just have a mic. At the bottom, there is the USB Type-C input. There's a bottom firing speaker, as well as, of course, the 3.5mm headphone jack. So you'll be able to plug in any of your existing earphones right into here. On the right hand side, we have the volume buttons as well as a power button, which doubles up as a fingerprint scanner, and it works really well. And finally, on the left hand side, we have the SIM card tray. Now within this SIM card tray, you have space for 2 SIM cards. Not only that, you can also have a micro SD card, so you can expand the storage on the Tecno Camon 19 Pro, as well as have 2 SIMs active at the same time. And that moves us on to the internals. So for storage, this has a base storage of 128 gigabytes. You've got 8 gigabytes of RAM, and it's powered by the MediaTek Helio G96 processor. This is a very capable processor for this price, so it should be able to handle your day-to-day absolutely fine, as well as some gaming. And for software, we have HiOS based on Android. Now, for the battery, you actually have a very large 5,000 milliamp hour battery, which should keep you going all day long without any issues. And remember, you do get the 33-watt charger out of the box, which is going to give you very fast top-ups. I can't emphasize how much of a big deal it is having a charger out of the box, especially at this price. Remember, this is going to be retailing for around $280. Now, pricing will vary depending on region, so do check out the link that I've got down in the description below. What do you guys think of the Tecno Camon 19 Pro? Do let me know down in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do smash that like button for me. And if you haven't already, then be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future content like this. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.